Lycamobile Operator full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Lycamobile plans and details are in the description below. Let's get straight into it. Lycamobile is a mobile virtual network operator (MVNO) that operates on the EE network in the UK, offering competitive pay-as-you-go and contract-free plans with a focus on affordable international calling. If you're someone who frequently makes international calls, Lycamobile stands out with some of the best rates for global calling, offering free minutes to a wide range of countries as part of many of their plans. Their flexible pay-as-you-go plans allow you to top up as needed, which is great for users who don't want to commit to a long-term contract. In addition to the great international rates, most Lycamobile plans come with data allowances ranging from 1 GB to 15 GB, alongside unlimited UK calls and texts, which makes it a solid choice for light to moderate domestic users. Lycamobile is also known for its simplicity. There's no credit check required, and its top-up system is easy to use, allowing you to recharge your account online, in-store, or through their mobile app. This makes it a convenient option for people who want to avoid the hassle of dealing with contracts or complicated plans. Their website and app are also quite user-friendly, which makes managing your account or checking your balance easy. However, there are a few areas where Lycamobile falls short. Despite its excellent international call offerings, the domestic data speeds can be a bit slow compared to some other UK providers. Once your data cap is reached, speeds are reduced, and the data experience can become frustrating for users who consume a lot of data. Additionally, the lack of 5G support might be a deal-breaker for tech-savvy users who want faster internet speeds. Overall, Lycamobile is an excellent choice for users who need affordable international calling, a simple pay-as-you-go option, and flexible plans. If you're not too reliant on high-speed data or 5G, it offers great value for money, especially for light to moderate users. For those seeking faster data speeds or 5G, you might want to consider other options. Check the links in the description for the latest plans and pricing.